So these things have been a pain in my behind since we moved into this house. The water leaks past this. So one of my kids takes a bath and says, hey, the water's going down. I hear it. It's clearly going down. And that's with it up. Alright, so anyway, show you how we do this. Okay, so I just wanted to take a moment to put a picture of the drain assembly. And this photo is courtesy of Black & Decker Photo Guide to Home Repair. And it shows you what the overflow and the plumbing looks like to a typical bathtub that has this kind of drain. The plunger is a thin copper or brass in this case piece of metal, and its job is to block the drain pipe, and it's got to be in exactly the right spot vertically in order to block the pipe. If it's a little too high up, water will get underneath. If it's a little too low, water will get above it and down the drain. So just take a look at this while I'm yapping away. You can pause the video if you want, and then we'll go back to the show. That's not even close. This thing has to be adjusted up or down to block off the water. So I'm going to guess it pushes it down. I'm going to guess that it's not going down enough. So let's lower it down. So you lower it down, I don't know if you can see. You unscrew this and you twist that white thing down a little bit. So let's try it. Should put a little lubricant on this so this thing can move easily up and down. See how it's further down now? So now we gotta slide this. Alright, that's a significant amount. I don't know if that's gonna, so we'll do this. Now I'm gonna cinch this one back down too. And then we'll test it. Oh, and there's an overflow here. It has to be on the bottom. All right, it's definitely too low now because it's hitting against the bottom. So I raised it the wrong way. I probably have to raise it up. Okay. Here we go. Okay. See how much I moved it up now? So let's try this. We'll slide this up. Wrong way. 6. That's where we started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going up like 5 from where we were before. All right. So let's see what this looks like. I'll cinch this up the last with this, but with a without a power tool. You really shouldn't be using a power tool on that. Okay. Okay. Let's try it again. Press the water down. Lift it up. Still going down, I believe, or maybe it's not. I find that it's almost impossible to completely block these off. All right, it's better than it was. It definitely is going down though. I'll try raising it up a little more. We'll see. I think it's going down. Let's give it a couple minutes. All right. Raise it a little bit more. After I get it where I want it, I'm going to put a little bit of lubricant on this. All right, so let's raise it up a little more. Okay. I raise it up. Tighten this thing. All right, I did 2 more revolutions. Let's make sure this is. All right, let's try that. Okay, let's try this again. Water's up to this blue mark, right about there. I'll turn off the fan so I can hear. Okay, that's going to be good enough for me. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get some lubricant, something thick. I have Molly Coat that I like. So I'm going to leave this while I run and get that. Okay. All right, the water's still at the same level pretty much. Let's let it down. Take this out again. So now what I'm going to do, pull this out, make sure this is tight. It can't really go anywhere. Clean this off. Clean this off. Take some of this. Take a lot of this actually. Make sure this swings freely. And have it the right way. Okay. Back in the hole. Okay. Let's see. Water it down. All right, let's see if this works now. Let's water it down. It's about up to this tissue. See if I can listen. There's still water up to here pretty much. So that's good. Done. Done, done, done. So that's how you do it. From somebody who has no idea what they're doing.